Welcome to The Next Fight. Hi, I'm Don West, National Trial Counsel for CCW Safe and a practicing criminal defense lawyer for over 35 years. Today we're going to talk about choosing the right lawyer. The right to counsel is a fundamental right. In fact, you'll be informed at the time of your arrest that you have the right to the assistance of an attorney. Under our system of justice, deriving from that historic case of Gideon versus Wainwright, everyone facing jail time on a criminal case has the right to counsel whether they can afford to hire a lawyer or not. This right flows from the Sixth Amendment to the United States Constitution. Public defender. States can implement whatever system they want to guarantee this right, that is, the right to counsel. Most have a public defender system where an office of salaried public defenders are assigned to represent defendants that can't otherwise afford to hire a lawyer. Other systems can include a list of local lawyers who are appointed on a rotating basis to represent indigent defendants and are paid by the case or by the hour. Often very skilled defense lawyers are on these lists, even though the pay isn't that great. And that's because they like the work and because they believe that participating in this system keeps the standards high. On the other hand, some of the lawyers are brand new or have never distinguished themselves in the courtroom. That's the problem being on the receiving end of the public defender system. You have no choice who you get, nor any control over whether they're any good or not. Still, it's the rare defendant who can go it alone, so be very careful before you tell the judge you want to represent yourself in a criminal case. For those who can afford a private attorney, choosing the right lawyer may be the most important decision you make in the entire case. What do you look for in a lawyer? What kind of experience is important? What do lawyers actually do anyway? Hiring a lawyer to represent you in a self-defense case will probably be the most important decision you make after the one that resulted in you pulling the trigger. However, finding and hiring the right lawyer can be a daunting and challenging experience. First and foremost, you want a lawyer who's tried a lot of criminal cases, preferably at least a few self-defense cases. Self-defense is a strange animal in the criminal justice system. The whole thing boils down to whether you reasonably believed that if you didn't use deadly force right then to defend yourself, that you would have been seriously hurt or killed. That precise moment will be examined from every angle to determine if your use of force was justified. Your background, training, prior knowledge of your attacker, your relative physical sizes, abilities, distances, weapons, attitudes, social media history, reputation, and the forensic evidence will all be fair game, for better or worse. Trust me on this, you don't want a lawyer who's going to learn this stuff on the job, especially if the job is defending you. What makes things even more challenging is that there are not that many real self-defense cases out there. So it's hard to find a lawyer who's actually tried a self-defense case to a jury verdict, even if they have many years of experience as a criminal defense lawyer. Find out if the lawyer you're thinking of hiring has actually handled a self-defense case, or if they have a particular interest in that area of law at least, even if they haven't actually had a case go to trial.